Hey guys, this is Sunny the Devil. I like modify cars very much. I always try to modify my car also. I have a Hyundai Santro. I do a lot of stuff in my car like putting LED or lights behind the speedometer, and I also put lights in the gearbox according to door provision. Now I installed a keypad lock system in my car, just like in Audi car in the movie Transporter. I always try to be. I always want to be make a keypad security system like the Audi car. Now I make really one like the Audi car. I also put a starter button. Now I'm going to show you the how it works. This is the starter button which I put for to ignite the engine, and these are the LEDs. See how it works. The needles are also lights up, and the speedometer is blue. This is the LCD which I take from the old DVD, and this is the keypad system which I take from the old Beetle phone, which is used to be ignite the engine. Which is used to be the for the password. See, the LED demands for the password, and this is my microcontroller project which I made for the security system for the for the keypad security system. I didn't fit it yet. Actually, I'm going. I'm checking it. Sorry for my bad English. Now I show you how it works. See, the ignition button or starter button is not working. Also, the key is not working because I didn't put a combination of keys to start my engine. Now I show you. See, it is demanding for enter password, and I put 833-845 for my code. It is for devil, DEVIL. See, now I put 33845. Now the password is confirmed. Now I can start my engine. Just see, hear the voice of engine and the shaking of the car when the engine going to start. Now you can hear the voice of the engine. I'm going to show you again. I have to go off the engine. I put the on off. I put off engine. See, I just make the provision of off from the key. If I want to stop the engine, I have to off my key. So now I show you again. See, it is demanding for enter password again. I put. Let me show you first. See, the starter button is not working. Let me show you. It is 33845. Password confirmed. Welcome, Mr. Devil, and please start the engine. Now I show you how to start my engine. See. Sorry. See how the keypad lock works. Right to hell, so enjoy. And others keep their mouth shut. And sorry for my bad English. And about the door lights. See, when I open my door, the lights up. When I close my door, the lights down, up, down. See how it works. Thank you very much.